여러분 안녕하세요. Hello everyone, welcome back to Gangnam Korean. I'm Juhee. Today you'll be learning about the final consonant hyut, as I promised last time. 자, 오늘은요, 제가 지난번에 약속드린 대로 히읗 받침에 관해서 공부해 볼 거예요. 히읗 받침 is very complicated. It can be pronounced in 4 different ways depending on the following sound. Number 1, when it's followed by a vowel. And number 2, when it's followed by 니은. And number 3, when it's followed by 시옷. And number 4, when it's followed by 기역, 디귿, or 지읒. Well, kind of confusing, right? Well, then, without any further ado, let's go over each case of 히읗 받침. So now let's see how 히읗 받침 is pronounced depending on what sound comes after. So when 히읗 is followed by a vowel, this becomes silent and only this vowel is left, like this. 좋아해요. Ah is a vowel because 이응 as the beginning consonant has no sound, so it's a vowel. So 좋아해요. Here becomes silent. 좋아해요. Here this means a long vowel, but you don't have to worry too much. Most people just ignore it. So 좋아해요. In a sentence you can say 김치를 좋아해요, which means I like kimchi. 김치를 좋아해요. 밥을 좋아해요. I like rice. 밥을 좋아해요.
내가 홍반점을 좋아해. 내가 홍반점을 좋아해.
수혁아, 나 너 좋아해. 나 너 좋아해.
So let's practice some more. 넣어, 넣어, 넣어. 놓아, 놓아. And this is also silent. 쌓여, 쌓여. Here, 넣어. Okay, there's a long vowel. 넣어, which means put in somewhere. 놓아, 놓아. Put something on somewhere. And 쌓여, 쌓여, that means piled up. Now repeat after me. 넣어, 놓아, 쌓여. Our next rule is when 받침 히읗 is followed by 니은, 히읗 becomes another 니은, so it's double 니은s, like this. 좋네요. This becomes 니은, so 좋네요, which means it's good. 좋네요. Repeat after me. 좋네요. 날씨가 좋네요. The weather is nice. Repeat after me. 날씨가 좋네요. Let's practice some more words. 놓는. This here becomes 니은. 놓는. 어떠니. 어떠니. Today we'll be focusing on pronunciation, so even if you don't understand the meaning or the structure, you just try to understand the rules and practice, okay? Next one is 커다랗네. 커다랗네. It's big. And 뿌옇네. 뿌옇네, which means it's foggy, it's blurry. So now repeat after me. 놓는. 어떠니. 커다랗네. 뿌옇네. Very good. Our next rule is when 히읗 받침, the final consonant here is followed by 시옷, it becomes 쌍시옷, like this. 줬소. So let's say that this one becomes a 시옷 and it's combined with the next 시옷, so it's 줬소, which means it's good. 줬소.
난 그 여자가 줬어, 줬어.
Or when you are accepting an offer, you can say 줬어, 줬어, okay. So it could have 2 different meanings. You say, I like something, or okay, I'll take that offer. And this one is 까맣소, 까맣소. And 노랗소, 노랗소. Something is black, 까맣소. Something is yellow, 노랗소. So lots of color-related expressions have this 받침 히읗. Repeat after me. 까맣소, 노랗소. When someone asks you, is it good? Is it okay with you? You say, it's okay with me. Yeah, That's good. 좋습니다. 좋습니다. 히읗 plus 시옷 becomes 쌍시옷. 좋습니다. 놓습니다. 놓습니다. Which means I put something somewhere. Repeat after me. 좋습니다. 놓습니다. Next, as you can see, this background color is black. 까맣습니다. 까맣습니다. Which means it's black. Something is black. 머리가 까맣습니다. Their hair is black. 머리가 까맣습니다. Repeat after me. 머리가 까맣습니다. 머리 here means hair. It can mean head as well, but in this case, it's hair. So other colors would be 파랗습니다. 파랗습니다. 노랗습니다. Which means it's yellow. 노랗습니다. Repeat after me. 파랗습니다. 노랗습니다. Our next rule is when 히읗 받침 is followed by 기역, it becomes cute. And when 히읗 받침 is followed by 디귿, it becomes 티읕. And 히읗 받침 is followed by 지읒, it becomes 치읒. Let's see some examples. First of all, 좋고, 좋고. 히읗 plus 기역 becomes cute. 좋고. Repeat after me. 좋고, 좋고. Next, 노랗게, 노랗게.
노랗게 노랗게 물들었네.
이렇게, 이렇게, 이렇게. Like this. 저렇게, 저렇게. Meaning like that. 저렇게. So in a sentence you can say 이렇게 아니면 저렇게, like this or like that, or this way or that way. 이렇게 아니면 저렇게. 이렇게 아니면 저렇게. Now, when 히읗 is followed by 디귿, it becomes 티읕. For example, 좋대요. We are using the verb 좋다 and conjugate it in so many different ways like 좋은, 좋아, 좋다, 좋대요, 좋소, 좋습니다, etc. So although 조 comes before these, the pronunciation can differ. 좋대요, 좋대요, 좋대요. This one, 낳다, 낳다. It means to bear or to give birth. Next one, how would you read it? 노랗다, 노랗다. It's yellow, 노랗다. In a sentence, it can be used 레몬이 노랗다, 레몬이 노랗다. The lemon is yellow. Repeat after me. 레몬이 노랗다, 레몬이 노랗다. Now, when 히읗 is followed by 지읒, it becomes 치읒. For example, 좋지, 좋지. 히읗 plus 지읒 becomes 치읒, 좋지. When someone says, do you think this is a good idea? Oh, 좋지. Do you want to go for a drink? 좋지. So it's okay. Yes, that's good. 좋지. 그렇지, 그렇지, 그렇지. 까맣지, 까맣지. So, 까맣지. Repeat after me. 좋지, 그렇지, 까맣지. It's black. So you can say 내 머리는 까맣지 않아. 않아 means not, so it's a negative sentence ending. 까맣지 않아. It's not black. 내 머리는 까맣지 않아. Repeat after me. 내 머리는 까맣지 않아. 내 머리는 까맣지 않아. So now let's recap what we learned today. Number one, when the final consonant here is followed by a vowel, it becomes silent, so it becomes only the vowel. Number two, when 히읗 받침 is followed by 니은, it becomes another 니은. When 히읗 받침 is followed by 시옷, it becomes 쌍시옷. When 히읗 받침 is followed by 기역, it becomes 키읔. And when 히읗 받침 is followed by 디귿, it becomes 티읕. When 히읗 받침 is followed by 지읒, it becomes 치읒. That's it. Well, that's it for today. You've learned how Hyut Batchim is pronounced differently depending on the following sound. Well, it's difficult to memorize all the rules and apply them, but what's more important is you try to read as many words as possible that have Batchim Hyut and try to use online dictionaries that provide you with audio clips, and that can be very, very helpful. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, please click like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. 여러분, 다음 시간에 뵐게요. See you next time. Bye-bye!